Hey guys, this is Big Ben here, Camping World in Gander RV. I'm next to this awesome 2023 Keystone Cougar 22Rbs. Just a great size camper. Not too big, not too small, but as I want to show you right here, it has the new tankless water heater. It's going to give you on-demand hot water. So it's a lot of campers are doing that now. It's a great feature. It gives you hot water right away. And so you don't have to worry about running out and then waiting for it to reheat or anything. You just take your shower, get done, and go on and the rest of your day. So there you go, tankless water heater on the Cougar 22Rbs.